You guys know what freaking time it is? It is time to put freaking Christine out of her stupid ass misery. I can't move. You're, you're hurting me, you idiot. I am going to crush the crap out of Christine and her. Alright. Rick, do yourself a favor and crush Christine for good. Make sure she never comes back in a future episode because she was horrible. Do it, Rick. Why can't you just do it? Rick, we're all asking you a favor. We're literally all asking you to do a favor. Do it. Just do it, Rick. Why can't you just do it? Oh yeah, mother. Yes, yes, get wrecked, Christine. Get wrecked, Christine. Get wrecked, you horrible car. Even though some people like you. Get crushed, Christine. Do it. Do it harder, Rick. Well. Well, what? Oh, come on, man. You gotta be kidding. We don't have any time for this. Please get back to obviously killing Christine.
Okay, Mom, we gotta go soon. We gotta take your song.
Alright.
So a couple minutes. Okay?
Yeah, sure. Guys, when I'm done. It's like Christine doesn't know when to quit. Christine's body, it's obviously reforming, Rick. Oh no, you don't, suckers. You are still going to get crushed. You think I'm done with you yet? The answer is no. Because guess what? I am literally still going to crush you. Man, it's like Rick's gone mad that we're trying to kill Christine. Yep. Rick's gone absolutely mad. Crikey, that guy's gone mad. Yes, yes, yes. Get wrecked, Christine. Rot in hell, Christine. Get rot in hell, Christine, right where you goddamn belong. Get rot. Yeah. Well, I suppose Rick's lost it, and now went with an obsession with trying to murder Christine. Agreed. I'm just happy Christine's dead. Despite literally being a freaking sentient. Yes! Get wrecked, Christine! You are now a cube! Ha! Take that!